People come to running for a lot of different reasons. To stay healthy, to make friends, to be social, to challenge yourself. But like a lot of things in life, sometimes the first step is the toughest one. And once you get in here, meet other like-minded people, it's not too bad. I'm David Bass. I'm a board member at the Wyoming Valley Striders.
Hi, I'm Linda. I am a race director and the secretary for the Wyoming Valley Striders. We are the oldest continuous running club in northeastern Pennsylvania. Striders formed in 1975 after a cherry blossom race took place in Wilkes-Barre, and a bunch of people got together afterwards and decided that there was a need for a running club. So they put an article in the paper and had a meeting, and soon after that, the Striders were formed. And now we have 6 races throughout the year, starting in March all the way through November.
I really got into running when I moved to Northeast Pennsylvania, and running in Northeast Pennsylvania is the best. I like the variety that we have in Northeast PA. We have a fantastic levee system, which is growing. We've got the Back Mountain Trail, the D&L Trail, and then there's also lots of great roads to run. So we have a lot of really good runners and a lot of really good running in this area too. Being around other runners and being around other members of the Striders is very inspiring in a lot of ways, not just as a runner, but as a person. There's a woman who's a Striders member who comes to all our races. Her name's Patty, and she's done every single Steamtown Marathon since the beginning of that race. And there's all kinds of quiet, humble people that you would not know who've run the Boston Marathon, who've done triathlons, who've done epic trail races and challenges. There's a lot of really inspiring people, and it's just great to be a part of that.
So our races, you will find that companionship and friendship. Runners might meet at one race and then they're lifelong friends, or running partners, training partners. That makes me feel so good because I'm continuing what my dad started. And he was the foundation of us having very well-run races. From check-in, having pins available, saying hello to runners and greeting them and cheering them on. We all learned so much from him, and I wish he was still here.
Vince was one of the co-founders of Wyoming Valley Striders, and you know, without the Woyner family, this wouldn't be possible. Every New Year's Day, we go to Kirby Park and we have an informal Striders event called the New Year's Day Training Run. And every year we start that out with a photograph on Vince's bench, which I think just reminds everybody, like, hey, we're not all here forever, but what we're doing wouldn't be possible without him.